heading out towards Coastal Highway. They've been doing a good job of plowing, keeping the roads clear. You can see they're down there working too. It's good. Good morning, Ocean City. It is so pretty out. It is cold and windy. It is still snowing. We still are. It is still coming down. Going down here to Coastal Highway, got to give a shout out to the Ocean City road crews. They have been cleaning these roads all night and it's all good. I looked down and my favorite thing about snow at the beach are snowdrifts, because it's so much open space. So I can't wait to get down there and check out some of the snowdrifts. Last time we did this, we had like 4 feet snowdrifts in some places. So the sea is beautiful. It's kind of rocking out there. It's awesome. Someone's already been down there. You can see from the boardwalk. We're gonna get geared up. We bought all our well-equipped snow gear, so we're good. All our ski stuff and New Hampshire -degree temperature gear. So we'll be out there in a little bit. And I think he's crazy. But this is who I married. Check out the snowdrifts. We are on the boardwalk finally. Look at this. This is crazy. Awesome. I think the last time there's a blizzard, the same snowdrift formed. Here, look, it's like the snow. You can see it blowing off the top of the drift. Look. Sean, check his snowdrift out. It's crazy. It's like a point. Do not mess it up. Do not mess it up. He ruins all things beautiful. There you go. All right, let's go.